Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial of Tech Assist. So in this guide video, I will be showing you how to share TikTok video on Facebook story. Now before we get started, make sure to check your internet connection and also make sure to update both the application, that is TikTok and Facebook. So in order to share TikTok video on Facebook story, first of all you have to open your TikTok. Now as you open your TikTok application, the interface kind of look like this. Now in case if you want to share your own TikTok video on Facebook story, so the process is similar. The only difference is that you'll have to tap on the profile icon, which is right at the bottom, and on the profile page you'll have to select the video that you want to share it on Facebook story. In case if you want to share somebody else's TikTok video on your Facebook story, the process is same. The only difference is that you can find a random video on For You page. So next, in order to upload it on your Facebook story, all you have to do is tap on the share button, which is right at the bottom on the right hand side corner. And once you tap on it, down there you can see multiple options. Now what you have to do is simply tap on Facebook. So next, as you can see that you do not even have to open your Facebook application and it has directly landed into your Facebook. So next, what you have to do is simply tap on the share option, which is right at the bottom in the right hand side corner. Now in order to make sure whether the video has been posted on Facebook story or not, what you have to do is simply go back to your home screen. So next, tap on your Facebook. Now once you open Facebook application, the interface kind of look like this, and right on top there you can see create story, and just next to it you can see your story. Just tap on it, and here as you can see that the TikTok video has been posted on my Facebook story. Now that is how you can share TikTok video on Facebook story. Now that is all for this video. Now in case if the video is helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.